They say you only need one person to change your life. And I'm praying to be this person for you. I'm praying that the love I carry within is going to help you move forward. My name is Sophia, and I am here on this planet to help you remove everything that do not serve your highest and best good within your system. I am here to help you remove your traumas. I am here to help you see yourself clearly. I am here to help you remember who you are. I am here to help you transmute the darkness into light. I heard that this comeback is an apology to yourself. And I found it so beautiful because you never give up on yourself. No matter what situation happened, you always woke up and you had some very difficult moment where you had to deal with some very powerful spiritual attacks, spiritual warfare. You felt very alone and isolated, but you're a chosen one. You're a light worker. You're a star seed out there. You're an energy healer. And even if it took you like a few days, a week, or for some of you months, you always found a way to come back to yourself and act as a phoenix rise. The Kundalini that you carry within, the goddess Kundalini, the serpent fire, is helping you. She's helping you transmute and burn these traumas, these souvenirs, this emotional turbulence you're carrying from this lifetime or any other lifetime. She has been designed by the Most High to help you transmute the drama I'm hearing through your sexual energy. Your traumas are stored within your hips, and the serpent fire every month, she is, I'm very hot suddenly, she is starting from your sacrum and she finds the way up to your third eye to illuminate your life, to bring enlightenment, to bring the breakthrough that is going to take you to the next step. Some of you has their Kundalini blocking at a certain chakra. Most of the time it could be at the solar plexus, the heart space, or the throat chakra due to some blockages you're experiencing. That's my mission here on Planet Earth. I've been designed by the Most High to help you remove these blockages into your entire system. I am preparing something so massive that is going to change the planet, change the world. I have been gifted with 7 codes, 7 keys from the Most High that is going to help you profoundly heal your DNA from a cellular perspective. I'm also creating masterclasses that are going to bring you to the next level, align you with your highest timeline. Tonight, I'm hearing that. I'm hearing some sirens. So this is Archangel Michael here, very present. And you might work with Archangel Michael. One of the codes I am offering is the codes of freedom, and it's implying a massive cord cutting. This is what one of you out there really need to move forward. Oh yeah, there is something you do not see, or there is something you do not want to see. Confirmation, thank you, dog. And this cord cutting paired with a code of alignment is going to be very significant for you to see beyond the veil. This is the tower card. So you're going to experience, and you see on this card I have the butterflies, which ultimately this Tower moment you're going to experience in your life. It could be the fall, I'm hearing, fall down, or something, someone something is going to just fall down out of your life. You're going to see something for what it is, through this cord cutting maybe, or just through a Kundalini awakening in general. You're going to really experience like everything that is not for you is leaving you, is falling apart. You're not attaching to it anymore. It just doesn't make sense anymore for you. And this is beautiful. Oh my God, yeah. In order for you to experience, because this is God wants you to experience this magnificent Ace of Cups, full alignment with God's source energy. You must detach. Thank you for so much confirmation. You must detach. What I love with the Tower moment, the Tower card, is like, you might know what it is, and if you don't act upon it, then the universe is going to do it for you. So in any way, the thing or the person that is not supposed to come with you to the next chapter of your life is going to leave you anyway, whether you like it or not. You have been designed by the Most High and you signed the contract with yourself, with your soul, to achieve your destiny plan. So basically, if this situation or this person is not allowing to come further with you, it's not going to. Okay, very, very important. What else do we need to know? Yeah, I'm telling you, this is something hidden. You see, there is something you cannot see, and you're 144 on my screen, and you're going to find out the truth. It's going to come maybe in the form of a dream, but it's going to come from someone, from another person. The truth is going to be revealed. That's what I'm hearing, because you did so much work on yourself. Now it's the time for you to see the truth, Ooh. Yeah, and I'm watching the 18th on this, which is 9, which is end of cycle. So ultimately, maybe by the next full moon also, or the new moon, the next new moon. But for some reason, it might be the next full moon, because everything is revealed when it's the full moon. So yeah, and they want me to see again the thunders. So it's going to boom for some reason. It's going to come and be like, oh my God, I cannot ignore that anymore. You will not be able to pretend. You will not be able to deny this truth, because, okay, thank you for the confirmation. The card we just saw, the 7 of Pentacles. You worked so much on achieving your dreams. I'm hearing chasing your dreams. You spend so much, you sacrifice so much, that there is no way, even if it's very uncomfortable truth to know, there is no way you can ignore it. You will have to act upon it from a place of wisdom, for having to have your 10 of Cups. It is so beautiful. It's as if, like, yes, the truth that is going to be revealed to you, it's going to be very uncomfortable, bring chaos maybe even, because it's as if you thought for so long something was real, or you kind of had this habit, or you just knew. I think it's connected to a person, so you just thought you knew this person, and the breakthrough you're going to have, you're going to be like kind of not happy to know that about that person. But again, because you sacrificed so much, you're going to act and allow yourself to let go, I'm hearing, and surrender to God, to the Most High, because your happily ever after is here. You're the magician. This This is a big reveal. I think you're about to really take your power back. I think you're about to experience that magic that you carry since you're a baby, since eons, since lifetimes. I think, oh yeah, just after this death and rebirth that you're going to experience or you're going through right now, you're going to fully retrieve your powers. So it's worth it. That's what I keep. Yeah, it's victory. You see, you're going to just let go. You're just going to let go to that person, and you have no idea what is going to imply in your life when you have enough courage to let go of a toxic situation. Oh yeah, it's success. Depressive mode I'm hearing for a very long time, and this was caused by this situation, this toxic childhood situation I'm hearing. And again, you will put yourself in a position that you will, for some reason, your inner child is going to think about how many hours you spend crying or not feeling good, feeling tired and exhausted due to that situation, because now it's going to be revealed to you. And then you're going to actually cut the cords so easily with this person. And this is going to 144. I keep seeing 144. And then you're going to activate the will by doing so. Whether you cut it with your mental sword, I'm hearing, or physically, with a meditation or a session or something, you're going to activate this wheel of fortune, and then you're going to liberate your finances, because this entire situation caused so much chaos within your finances that you will just know right now. Yeah, you used to juggle with money. This brought so much betrayal that you're done. You're destined now to get your money. You're just destined to not be in state of depression mode, and you just know you're here to reach the star mode. I love you. I value you. I estimate you. You can be so proud to be on this path. The healing path is not an easy one, but thank you for showing up for yourself. You're amazing. And until next time, namaste.